Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're here, another video. Like, why not, right? So yeah, so if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're back, and I just got the new Mothership, I think 7 from Pat McGrath. Was it 7 or 8? And she looks like so. I just got this in the mail. I hate that the names are like, on here. I'm just like, nobody have time for that. So we're just gonna, jump in this part. Like, I don't know. Man, this shade right here is like calling my name. It's like a duochrome shade. Yeah, so we're gonna start with this shade in the order V. In my last video, I kind of talked about my anniversary is coming up soon. So I'm gonna be giving you guys, date looks, because I'm going on a date. Why not? Why not? So first, we're gonna go into this dark shade right here. And I'm just gonna tap this. Her shadows, heaven. There's literally nothing you can be like, oh, is this gonna blend? No, it's gonna blend. Like, it's just so good. And I'm actually gonna record my look that I'm gonna do for my anniversary dinner. So next shade, I think I'm gonna go with this shade right here. And I'm just gonna use this to blend the edges. I feel like this look is very similar to the last look I did. But the last look I used red, and in this one I'm using orange. But I think I used, some type of brown. So this it just kind of looks like the same. I'm gonna go back into that brown. These looks, I'm actually like doing these looks because they're so simple, and you can do them for like every day. You don't need this palette to do it because I know this palette is pricey, but you can do the same look and just use something that's not as pricey, but it's just brown. I mean, you're gonna get a real crazy pigmentation with this palette because it's Pat McGrath. Like, her shadows are out of this world, but you can still get this, the look. So I'm gonna use this T51, and I'm gonna put some NYX glitter glue. You actually maybe don't even need this because Pat McGrath shadows are so good. And now we're gonna go into like amazingness. So the first shade I'm gonna go into is gonna be this shade right here. And we're just gonna, look at this. I love it. It has like this wet look. And I'm gonna clean my brush a little bit. Just a little bit. And we're gonna go into this shade right here, the top one, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Ooh, look at this. This is so good. Like the camera is not doing this shade justice. They're so just wet. And now I'm gonna go back to this brown shade because I just want to. This look is so easy, so easy, guys, to do. So easy. Yeah, so that's it. It's that easy. I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so eyes are done. We're back. Today I'm actually trying this new primer. It's called It's You Skin Smoothing Primer from Sister. I don't know. It's okay. That's all I'm gonna say about that. I'm actually gonna try this new brush from Sephora. It's the number 70 brush. Man, I'm recording. Today's Sunday and I'm trying to do so much today, but I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury foundation, the Airbrush Flawless Finish Foundation. Man, I just travel with this and it's like spilled kind of all over the place, which was very sad. I don't have a concealer from Charlotte Tilbury. I have like a powder, I have foundation, I have blush, but no concealer. Interesting. So I like this brush. It's a little bit dense, but there's no streaks, which you know, it's always amazing. We need a little bit more. Maybe, I mean, we don't need it, but we want it. So this brush again, it's not, there's no streak, but it's pretty dense. And I feel like because it's so dense, it does kind of suck some of the foundation. So that might not be great. But yeah, I swapped to my other brush. That other brush is too hard. I don't get any streaks with it, which is good, but it's hard. Maybe when I use it some more and I wash it a few times, it won't be as dense. I don't know. I might use this concealer from Armani. And this is definitely one of the concealer you can just leave here because it dries, but it dries very like nice. And I'm gonna use my stick from Clinique, my chubby stick. Let's go ahead and blend. And I'm using my LaRouche brush for this. I'm not really blending, I'm just kind of like stamping. Not sure why they split up right here. You can see like a separation, but it's cool because, you know, I still have to powder my face, so I'm not too worried about that. Okay, and I'm gonna use my M335 from Morphe to blend this out. Just making sure this is nicely blended, and then now we go in here and then go up. Just blending this because I don't, you know, I don't want like a harsh line. Just blend everything nicely. And I'm gonna use my Nikia Joy powder. Yeah, we're gonna use a sponge, and I'm just gonna top this. And to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use my honey powder from. Oh my god, I just went black. From Rihanna, Fenty Beauty. I know under my eyes kind of heavy. I'm gonna leave it like that for a second. You know, I have the best spouse. See, you know, I'm doing my makeup and he's already washing my car. That's so sweet. Ignore under my eye. You know, we're just kind of rolling with the punches. I'll dust it off when I'm done. Take a little bit of my eye primer. Now let's move back to the palette real quick, you know. I think I'm still gonna do a bold lip today, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. So we're gonna go into that brown. Just put in just a little bit. I mean, I don't know. I'm saying a little bit, but maybe it's not a little bit to everyone, but now we're gonna go into that orangey shade that I put on top here, and I'm just gonna use that to just blend just the edges. That is it for that. I'm gonna clean my brush because I'm just gonna bring down that shade that I have like right here. I'm just gonna bring it down a little bit, just a little bit, and then alright, it's done. We're gonna move to the face. Let's bronze the face. What am I gonna use to bronze my face? Not sure. Ooh, let's use this. I'm gonna use this, you know, from Marc Jacobs. The mirror in this is like huge. Not sure why I'm putting on this, because I'm going out and I can't be wearing a mask, which means that will be covered. Let's use this. Let's use Lena. Ooh. Lena is a lot. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this makeup oil on its loose diamond highlighter. Okay, that's a lot. That's not what I was going for. See, now I have to make this so dramatic because the other one is so dramatic. Now let's do something simple on the lip. Maybe not so simple. I might use Bite Me from Kylie. So I know it's not bold, but it's matte, so maybe it will stay under my mask. We'll see. And let's go into the lipstick. I just hope it's not super matte. Like, I don't want to say not super matte. Like, I want it to be matte, but I don't want it to be uncomfortable matte, if that makes sense. Yeah, we'll see. Since I'm wearing red lip, let's go for a red headband maybe. In my earrings. So yeah, this lipstick is dry and I can already feel it. Okay, so yeah, so that's it, guys, for another date night look. You know, kind of semi-muted eye look and then a banging lip. So yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys. Somewhere up in the clouds, we're going out of ourselves. Can we feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real.